What's up, y'all? It's this Domino here. I'm not at my house right now. Okay, I'm by a big playhouse.
Yeah.
What's up? You're not now. You're on the video now.
What's up? Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Yeah, we in here. We trying to get it together.
Well, Facebook for right now, then
That's,
YouTube later.
that's Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook Live. Well, I don't know who else is watching. You know, a lot of people watching. Mighty Dana watching and Sharon watching too.
Oh, yeah.
And a few.
Tell them I said one.
Okay. Well, you say why? I don't say why.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed. And you know what though?
What?
I feel better if Dianca's watching. She might be, cause I mean if she get on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube or whatever, I'll be knowing she be watching though. So Ryan, if Bianca Stokes is watching right now, what you'll say though?
Tell her I said what's jam with it. I just talked to our brother Freddie. You hear me?
Our brother Freddie. Oh, okay. Last time I seen him was the same day I seen her at the picnic at Philip picnic, and I
going to wreck, brother.
We about to what? Going to wreck.
We not sure yet. Dude look like he on Fortnite or something. I don't know. I just told him.
Fortnite. I never. Hey, what game is this? Say big play. What game this is?
It's 2K20.
2K20, and I got 2K19. I think.
You got 19. You gotta get that upgrade, brother.
Oh, I know. Thank God I have a PS4 though.
Yeah, you got that 4-year-old now.
Yep. I got one view right now as I'm doing live, but I don't know how many views I'm having when I upload this. Yep. Yes, indeed.
Join up, though, bro. You know what I'm saying? We ain't really waiting on nobody.
Okay. Oh yeah, I think Nala gonna be watching too.
Yeah.
So if Nala was watching right now, what would you say?
Tell us, I said, who's up with it, man? Long time no see, you heard me?
Oh yeah. The baby sleeping. Yep. So
What player you got, brother?
Oh he talking to somebody live. I should have did my recording though, All right. Oh, I have another viewer, So just in case Dianca is watching this on our news feed. Hey Dianca, how are you? I'm worried about you. Okay. You know what?
You a dog with that stretch play, man?
I suppose me and Dianca wouldn't have never had a falling out if I wouldn't have got mad at her. Sometimes I just wish she wasn't living far away. Well, I thought life would be terrible without Tanya.
You stuck on her.
Yeah. But he not talking to himself, folks. He talking to somebody online, Facebook line, right?
That's Facebook Live.
I'm gonna see.
Online, yeah, online.
Oh, online, yeah. Now I have 2 viewers.
Yeah.
3 now.
You got 4, let's see. I text Green. I'm gonna hit one more time.
I don't have no friends online though. So I guess that's a. Oh, look who's watching. Siobhan is watching.
was Shabani.
Yeah,
Out.
yeah, that's my girl though.
Man, that's
Well, so some of you folks are already seen Siobhan on my show already, you know.
yeah, that shit was only going up like .2 every time.
Yeah, Siobhan was on my show before. I don't know how long ago it was, and she appeared on my show a second time, you know, with her children and her mom, Miss Jill, you know. But I'm pretty certain y'all seen Miss Jill, you know. I'm talking to the viewers though, you know. And I'm old school, and I got Sonic, bro.
Were you be playing Sonic on here?
Not only Sonic, I got Pac Man as well and Mega Man. Mm-hmm. Or DJ Danny is watching. What's up, DJ Danny? Really watching it on Facebook Live or YouTube Live? I'm pretty sure you're watching. Oh, okay. Mm, mm. Now I better stop this tape right now and make this thing cool down.
No progress went, man.
All right,
Man, still
I
standing
gotta
there.
go to the coolest this phone off. All right.